Top 5 mistakes new crypto traders make chasing hype without research. Jumping into trending coins just because they're pumping, without understanding the project or fundamentals, often leads to big losses when the hype dies down. Overtrading. Trying to catch every move drains your capital and emotional energy. Patience is key. Not every candle needs your attention. Ignoring risk management. Going all in or trading without a stop loss can blow up your account fast. Smart traders risk only a small percent per trade. FOMO and panic selling. Buying out of fear of missing out, FOMO, or selling during dips without a plan, leads to emotional trading and bad decisions. Using high leverage multiplies both profits and losses. Many new traders get liquidated quickly because they underestimate how risky it is. Hit the like button, subscribe and comment to let me know the next crypto tips you'd like me to discuss.